Okay, hello everyone. This is Casey from WebBuddy. So in this tutorial, actually this is a follow-up tutorial for the previous sticky header tutorial. So some viewers request that how they can push down the main content further down so that part of their content is not overlap with the sticky header. So I'm going to show you how to do that. Okay, so this is still the same sticky header effect that we have done in the previous video. If you have not seen the previous video, I will include that in the link in the description. So first thing is to go to the dashboard. So let us go to the dashboard over here. Okay, so log in to the dashboard and go to pages, all pages. Or what you can do is that you can straight away on this screen, you can click on edit page. So if you already logged in, so let's click on edit page. And over here, what we are going to do is that open up the document overview and click on the first group. So make sure that this is the content selected. So we are going to add some margin on top so that the content will be pushed down. So once you make sure that this group is selected, the first group, then we scroll down and click on this style. And scroll down further, you can see there's a margin selection. So over this margin selection, you will need to click this unlinked sites. So once you click unlinked site, you will notice that the top margin over here is currently set to none or 0. So what you can do is to adjust it further to maybe large. So you will notice that the content is being pushed down. So now we click save. Okay. And once you click save, we can take a look at the website again. So you'll notice that the content has been pushed down. But now another issue is that the color of the background is white. So it means that it is not so consistent with the sticky header color. So you will want to make sure to make the white background the same color as your main content color over here. Okay, so I'll share with you how you can do that. Let's go to Appearance, Editor, then click on Styles, and click on this Edit Styles, and you will see colors over here. So click on colors, and you'll notice that currently background is set to white color. So over here, the background is white color. So we are going to click on the background and set it to this color, which I've gotten the HTML codes. So this is the HTML color codes that you can get online using a free tool. You can Google for online HTML color code editor or color picker. And then you paste. So you notice that now the color has been changed to the same color as my main content. So now you click save again. So let us go back to the web page and do a refresh over here. So now you can see that the header changed to our previous sticky header opacity, and the content has been pushed down. So the sticky header no longer overlap with the content when it is originally loaded the website. Okay, so the second improvement that I want to share with you is that if you log into your website, you will not notice this issue. But if you are not logged into the website, so let me share with you. If I open the incognito window and I go to my website, you will see that there's currently a small gap above the sticky header. Okay, so when I scroll down, there's a small gap here. So to get rid of this small gap, I will need you to go to the additional CSS, which is over here. Okay, so how to come to this page? Let me share with you how you can arrive to this page. So you need to click on Appearance Editor. So once you're inside your dashboard, go to Appearance Editor and click on Styles. Click on this pencil icon, Edit Styles, and click on this three dot that you can see additional CSS, and under this additional CSS you need to delete this line top, then it says 10 pixels, so we are going to delete this line. Okay, so just delete it and click save again. Now let us go to the website and I do a refresh, and now the sticky header move up. Okay, so this is how it looks like. Okay, so I hope that this second improved version of the sticky header helps you to resolve some of the current issue. If you have further questions, just feel free to post in the question area below. Thank you.